Welcome back to our channel. This is how to make authentic yum sauce like the popular Japanese steakhouse sauce. Let's get started by adding our mayo, the creamy foundation of our sauce. Next up, we'll introduce the zesty ketchup, bringing a burst of flavor to the mix. Now, for a touch of acidity and brightness, we'll pour in our apple cider vinegar. And finally, a sprinkle of powdered sugar to balance out the flavors and add that subtle sweetness. Now let's give it all a good whisk until everything is perfectly combined and smooth. Just look at that beautiful texture. Creamy, tangy, with a hint of sweetness. It's a symphony of flavors in every spoonful. So, there you have it, our delectable sauce ready to take your rice dishes to new heights of flavor. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me today. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, so don't be afraid to get creative. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. Until next time, happy cooking and smach no ho.